Whoa! Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. My name is Michael Shu, and today we are filming in the common kitchen area. If you guys haven't checked out the tour of my housing where I'm staying for the Cadet Academy program, be sure to check that video. I'll link it somewhere in the description down below. But today we are doing another very cool, that wasn't as cool as I thought it'd be. We're doing another exciting unboxing from, I'm not sure if you can see who it is from. Yes, from Randolph Engineering. You know how much I love Randolph Engineering sunglasses, not because it's cool and it's fashionable, but it's also made in USA, and they have a contract with the military, and that's how you know it's gonna be top quality. If it's gonna be good enough for the military, it's probably gonna be good enough for us average Joe Blows. Let's go ahead and unbox this. I got this package actually a week ago. I really wanted to open it, but I thought it'd be cool if I opened it on camera with all of you guys so you could see my first impression. And so this is not a review or anything like that. It's just me unboxing it and giving you my first impression of what I think this sunglasses looks and feels. And shout out, I want to thank everyone in the Randolph Engineering team for sending this out to me. Thank you so much, Will, for sending this. Thank you, everyone. Oh, there we go. Dude, they packaged this so well. All right, are you guys ready? Oh. Oh. Someone's here. Hey. Alright, so it comes with a yellow slip like this with my information. I'm not going to show you that because it has my address and all my details. And it comes in this standard Randolph box with this glossy R. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but this is standard box that all the Randolph sunglasses come in, I believe. Alright, let's open it. First look. Alright, I'm gonna give you guys a first look. Whoa, what do you guys see? Oh, it's paperwork. Paperwork, get this card, we don't need that. Alright, this is what everyone's here for. Are you guys ready? I'm gonna unbox it, unveil it to you guys. Oh, it's just another box. Alright, this is where it really comes in. Oh man, okay, so they sent me these sunglasses right here. These are the Concorde, whoa! I believe these are the Concorde Cobalt edition. I don't know, is there 23 karat gold frames with the cobalt blue lenses, the bayonet temples. I'm not sure if you can see it. Look at that. I'll do a close-up. I believe these are the 57 millimeters. Let's see. Whoa, I look pretty cool on these. This is first look with the Cobalt edition, 23 karat gold sunglasses. And I brought the original aviators from Randolph just to do an on-face comparison and what you guys think about it. So these right here are the 23 karat gold, the Cobalt frames with the bayonet temples. Very nice. And here I'm gonna put on the aviators from Randolph Engineering. This is the matte chrome with the gray lens. What do you guys think about it? Side view, side view, side view. Let's try these on now. The Concorde Cobalt edition. What's really nice about these is that they are polarized. I believe these retail at $299, I want to say, so roughly $300, where these are around $219. I'm not sure which style you guys like. Look at that. Which one do you guys like? I'm looking at myself. If you guys have any questions about the Randolph Engineering sunglasses, be sure to let me know. Write a comment down below and I'll be sure to answer, but this is not a review right now. This is just an unboxing with my first impression. These gold frames really pop out. I'm not sure if you can see it on camera, but they really stand out in person. On the left temple, it says CR237 Concorde 23 karat gold, 143p. I have no idea what that means. On the right temple, it says Randolph, made in USA. And then on the left frame here, inside, I'm gonna show you later, it has a P for polarized. And under the bridge, it says 57 millimeter. So that's the bridge, the size of the bridge. Overall, and it has a lot of these details down here. So that is my first impression of the Concorde's 23 karat gold cobalt lens with the bayonet temples. If you guys have any questions, be sure to leave a comment down below and I will try to answer it. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe. And I post aviation videos. If you have any questions, be sure to ask them. I'll see you guys in the next video. I can shoot out. Which one looks better though? Like this one? Or this one? I'll put a pull up. Maybe I'll put a pull up. Which one do you think looks better? I like this one. This is like a classic. Look at that. Whoa, I look so cool. Whoa, I don't look so bad with these. These are pretty cool. I'm gonna try these out. Look at this. Whoa. I look like a real pilot. Oh, but these look so cool.